Hi friends, today we are going to talk about spoken English tips. आज का बहुत ही एक अच्छा बेहतरीन सब्जेक्ट है कि अंग्रेजी में हमको अच्छी तरह से बात करने के लिए, अंग्रेजी का ज्ञान बढ़ाने के लिए विच आर द डिफरेंट टिप्स वी हैव टू एक्वायर, वी हैव टू लर्न, वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. नंबर वन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्रैक्टिस. Practice, practice, and practice. Practice makes man perfect. This is half correct. Full correct. The truth is that right practice makes man perfect. हमें सही प्रैक्टिस करनी है. अगर हम सही प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ही हम बात करने में हम सही अपने आप को साबित करेंगे, और else we'll have better confidence as far as our talk and communication is concerned. So practice is very prime, supreme, important key. So very first thing that 5 minutes you talk to yourself daily. प्रतिदिन 5 मिनट अपने आप से अंग्रेजी में बात करो. You can go to the terrace, be in the hall, be on the ground, wherever you wish to go. You can go over there, take any topic. Like you can start from very simple topic about who am I, my self introduction. Would you like to know who am I? So you can talk from your side, your positive points, which are the different things you have acquired in your life, your specialties, your qualification, your various technical skills, the things which you are good at, the things where you have to improve yourself. You can talk about your family, your favorite game. You can talk about our country, the great country, the various flavors of our country, from the great leaders to the great skills. You can talk about science and technology. You can talk about various superstitious things which is in our India and how to overcome upon it. You can choose any subject and talk to yourself daily 5 minutes. कम से कम डेली 5 मिनट अपने आप के साथ अंग्रेजी में बात करनी है. And during this talk, you will come across very difficult word or very difficult to announce that word, to pronounce that word, to say that word, or not recollecting that word, or you are having some difficulties to utter that word. Write it down. उसे लिखो. So which are the things you are supposed to say but you could not express your thing because of your lagging in that particular words, not knowing that particular words, or do not know how to say. Always keep one small diary with you. एक छोटी सी डायरी अपने पास हमेशा रखो. Whenever you come across any difficult words, idioms, phrases, note it down. Find the meaning and use that words in your daily communication. This is very powerful tip. Self-talk in English always. You can select any, suppose 10 topics in a month. Take one topic for minimum 3 days. So you can observe your first day talk and your third day talk. Your third day talk will be much more better as compared with your first day, because you have repeated that subject more than 2 to 3 times. Have little bit preparation. Most important thing, take out some points. These are the story, these are the topic which I have chosen, and how I am going to give different flavors, different blends to this my subject. So this is very powerful tip. Talk to yourself daily 5 minutes. Number two, read children's books. Small children's books are very simple to understand because lot of pictures are there, lot of illustrations are there, many concepts are there, stories are there, anecdotes are there. So we love to see these pictures and stories. So the language which is used over there, it is very simple, very easy to understand, very easy to grasp, and we can choose this language very fast and use that language in our daily talk. So read small children's books. Simple, very interesting. You'll enjoy these small books, and small from LKG to the 5th standard. So read children's books. Number three, watch and listen English news, cinemas, cartoons, stories. Watch and listen English news. Cinemas, English pictures, English movies you can watch very thoroughly, very carefully. Cartoons, stories, so that you will come across with various antonyms, synonyms, sentences, words, phrases, idioms. Write it down. Learn. Whenever you are finding, you come across with various new things, remember that word, note it down and use it in your daily conversation. हमेशा कि हमारा जो वार्तालाप में उसका इस्तेमाल होना चाहिए. Intentionally we have to use the new words. Like good morning, we generally say that good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Use the word totally a new, something different, like fantastic morning, energetic morning, superb morning, fantastic morning, fantabulous morning, energetic morning. If we use the new words, you'll become expert in using these new words. You'll become rich as far as words, idioms, phrases, and various sentences are concerned. सो बी एक्सपेरिमेंटल. नए नए शब्दों का चयन करो, नए नए वाक प्रचारों का चयन करो, नए नए फ्रेजेस, वर्बल फ्रेजेस, यू यूज इट एंड जस्ट एंजॉय इट. सो वॉच इट, इंग्लिश न्यूज, सिनेमास, कार्टून्स एंड स्टोरीज. देन मेक फ्रेंडशिप, create some groups or have some friends or create some friends where you can talk English very comfortably. हम मित्रों के साथ ज़्यादा comfortable होते हैं, right? So find a friend or create a friend or make your friend that you can communicate with him or her in English language. See that this will bring phenomenal change as far as your English communication is concerned, English language is concerned, your energy and your confidence is concerned. So let us one more time just go through the 4 important tips to communicate better in English language. Number 1, self-talk. Take any subject from myself, my body to the my country to the international, any subject. Number 2, read children's books. Small children's books are very easy to understand because lot of pictures are there, elaborations are there, simple concept, okay, they dilute in a very simple manner. So read it, enjoy it, keep important words, sentences, antonyms, synonyms, phrases, idioms in your mind and use it. Most important thing, learn and use it, have better friendship with that word. Number 3, watch and listen English news, cinemas, cartoons and stories. So you'll become expert. You'll have wonderful various segments, what is happening in and around the world, what is happening in various segments. So learn it, use it and enjoy it. फ्रेंड्स टू कॉन्वर्स, फ्रेंड्स टू कॉन्वर्स, अच्छे मित्रों के साथ संगत में रहो, उसको भी बताओ कि वी वुड लाइक टू बिकम गुड और effective communicator as far as the English language is concerned. So let us share the knowledge, let us enjoy the English communication and become one of the good speaker, presentator as far as the English language is concerned. Second, an important thing, that 5 sensory organs. Our eyes and your ears are playing very vital role as far as the learning process is concerned. So reading, writing, speaking, listening, repetition and memorizing, these are the very important keys. Go through these 5 important keys, you are going to become a wonderful speaker, wonderful student and you will gain the most important thing, inner satisfaction. हमको आंतरिक आनंद मिलता है. So eyes, nose, tongue, skin and ears, these are the 5 sensory organs. They all gain all the information, knowledge through these various sources and that goes to your mind. Mind is nothing but a beautiful, a very wide bank of knowledge. हमारा जो मस्तिष्क है इसमें बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज है, सभी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ आती है एंड as per the requirement, okay, our brain gives information, commands and instructions to the various organs and accordingly we act upon the same. Thank you. So let us enjoy the tips to learn about as far as English language is concerned and the important roles of our 5 sensory organs. Thank you. My name is Prakash Dalvi, motivational speaker and trainer. Thanks.